Hello, my name is Ami Diamond. In this short episode, I'll show you how to migrate or move a Microsoft Access table to a SharePoint list. So what we need to do, I'll open up Access, and here I have under tables some tables. So let's say I want the table of contacts. So I see here columns, for instance, ID, company, last name, first name, and birth date. So let's put here a company, and here put something new, and that's it. So I want now the information to be moved or exported to a Microsoft list or a SharePoint list. So I'm now in the Home tab, and I'll go to External Data, and under Export, under More, I have a SharePoint list. I will copy the URL of the team site. Here we go. Paste it. Give it a name. Let's call it Contact 111. I'll mark Open List when finished. Click, couple of seconds, and Contact 111 is ready. You see I have the company, the first name, last name, and birth date. Now it also kept the data type. If you see the date, I can set it and maybe take the time off and set it just for, and I could also make it not friendly, and it looks just like you like it. So this is a short tip. So it's possible to connect from Access to SharePoint list. In this case, we exported the data from Access to SharePoint list, and there's many other things. If you like my channel, subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.